In this video, I'm giving you a full walkthrough and review of Steganos Password Manager. This is one of the lesser-known password managers out there, but it has a long history and some unique features that set it apart from the more mainstream options. After using it extensively, I wanted to share my personal experience, the good and the bad, so you know exactly what you're getting into if you're considering trying it yourself. Starting with the interface, Steganos offers a clean and somewhat retro UI. It's clearly designed more for desktop use than mobile, which makes sense given its history and focus on local encryption. You can use it to store not only passwords, but also credit card details, secure notes, and even documents. Everything is encrypted locally with AES-256, which is one of the strongest standards available today. Installation is pretty straightforward, but I did notice that the initial setup can feel a bit clunky. Unlike cloud-based managers, like 1Password or Bitwarden, Steganos doesn't push for constant online syncing. Instead, it leans heavily into security by allowing offline use and optional syncing through your own cloud solution, like Dropbox or OneDrive. This is great for privacy-conscious users, but it might be a drawback if you want instant access across multiple devices without manual setup. The browser integration is a mixed bag. The browser extension works with major browsers, but autofill can be hit or miss depending on the website. On some forms, it fills in smoothly. On others, I had to manually copy and paste. That's not a deal breaker, but it does mean you lose some of that instant convenience that top-tier password managers offer. One feature I did appreciate was the ability to create secure password lists for sharing. You can set up shared access with encryption keys, which is great for families or small teams. However, mobile support is clearly not the top priority here. The mobile apps exist, but they feel outdated and occasionally buggy. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The built-in password generator is solid and lets you customize password length, characters, and complexity. One thing that stood out is the PicPass feature, a visual password option that lets you log in using images instead of traditional passwords. It's a clever idea, though I didn't find it faster or more secure than strong alphanumeric passwords. Where Steganos shines is in local encryption and privacy. If you're someone who doesn't trust cloud services, or wants to keep things contained to your own system, this tool gives you full control. But with that control comes complexity. Syncing data between devices can feel old school compared to the seamless experience other apps provide. Would I recommend it? That depends on your needs. If your priority is total privacy, no subscription fees, and offline capability, then yes, Steganos is a solid pick. But if you need real-time sync, flawless browser integration, or a polished mobile experience, you might be better off with a more modern competitor. If this helped you decide whether Steganos is the right choice for you, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.